Why can't you understand English movies? Let's break it down, step by step, and fix it. First, native speakers talk fast, really fast. They connect words, drop sounds, and change pronunciation. Going to becomes gonna. Did you becomes didya. Want to becomes wanna. Your brain hears one long sound, not the clear English from your textbook. And that's normal. You were never trained for real-life speed. Second, you try to understand every single word. That's impossible. Your brain freezes because it focuses on details instead of the overall meaning. Even native speakers don't catch every word. Third, the level of the video matters. If the video is way above your level, your brain shuts down. If you understand only 20%, you won't learn anything. You'll just get tired. Now, how do you fix all of this? Watch the video once, without subtitles. Don't worry about understanding. Just let your ears get used to the sound. Then, watch it again, with English subtitles. Now, your brain connects the sound with the words. This is where the real progress starts. Next, pick a short part of the video, maybe 30 or 40 seconds, and repeat after the speaker. Copy the rhythm, copy the speed, copy the pronunciation. Also, choose the right content, not too easy, not too hard. Around 70% understanding is perfect. You get the meaning, but you still learn new patterns. And here's one more thing. Be consistent. 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Your brain learns languages through repetition, not pressure. Do these steps for a couple of weeks, and you'll finally watch English videos without feeling lost, confused, or overwhelmed. You'll understand faster, respond quicker, and feel way more confident. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!